Hi, everybody. Amy Conley here with United Way of Door County. Today, we are featuring one of our partners that we invest grant dollars in, the Employability Hub. Kathy, do you want to introduce yourself to folks?
Hi, I'm Kathy Clark. I'm our finance coordinator here at We Are Hope, the Employability Hub. Um, and I also do work incentive benefits here also.
Wonderful. So one of the programs that we fund with the Employability Hub is really focused on that core work of the hub and your benefits counseling. So there's probably a lot of viewers who are like, "What? An employability hub? What is that?" So
Okay.
can you kind of break
Yeah.
that down for us?
Sure. So ultimately, years ago, we used to be the job center. We lost some of our funding, and we are blessed to have lots of funding from United Way. So we are blessed to do that, so we can still have that wonderful, amazing community resource here for all of the people here in Door County. We even help out Kewaunee County a little bit, but more Door County. If you ever need a place to work on a computer, if you're getting a new job and you want to try to see what it's like on a bigger screen compared to just your phone, if you need help with resumes, interview skills, maybe even sharpen some skills with digital literacy training, we have self-paced courses. We have computers available, printing, faxing available. We are here to help you. We always say we're everything employment. We're here to help the employer. We're here to help the employee. We want to make that amazing connection so that people can help get to that next level or keep some of their skills sharp for when they want to do that. Some people come in just to check some emails. We are open to the public, and with our help from United Way, we're able to do that. As far as the benefit piece, with me being a work incentive benefit specialist, sometimes it's allowed me a lot of training to help people understand when you get letters because you're pending possibly losing some of your benefits, or sometimes you don't really understand what they need for verification so you can contain or sustain that benefit, or don't know where that income threshold is. Those are things I can easily help you with. Bring a letter in, read through it. Sometimes, if we need to make a phone call, sometimes we can keep some of those resources in place for you and help that go along. Just call, make an appointment or some time for me to be able to sit down and discuss this with you, because it's usually a one-on-one because everybody has a unique circumstance. But we're here to help you. We're here to help you reach your goals. We're here to also be a community resource. Sometimes people, like I said, just need a safe place to check their email and print something here or there securely, and we're here for that.
Great. So I think I'll talk about the benefits piece first. So when we talk about benefits, we're talking like food share. So that would be unlike food stamps if people aren't familiar with that. So food share or SNAP is what that's called now. Maybe child care benefit, maybe a health care benefit, those sorts of things.
Exactly. So whether it be like Badger Care, healthcare, sometimes people don't understand, like when you have children at certain ages, they have to become independent. So they think they're losing their benefits totally. Again, yeah, you're right, that food share. Sometimes there's extra things that we can help explain maybe a little bit about in hopes to help their resources stay where they are so that they can stay through. Sometimes people that lose food share think they lose their free lunches for their children. And that can be quite costly, especially if you just got a raise, but that raise isn't huge. So I know that there are some federal programs out there. Happy to try to help access any resource we can to help keep you growing in life. And that way you can, if you want to say goodbye to them, at least then it's your choice on when you want to say goodbye to them. So that way you can then work towards other goals or other career goals. Um, but not
That's
have them
great.
all of a sudden taken away when you don't know for sure, or you get a letter and you don't understand it because they don't always make it easy to read.
Yeah, yeah. I think that's one thing. We all appreciate the benefits, but when we get letters from the government, sometimes it's hard to understand what they're asking us to do. So great.
Exactly.
Well, thank you for providing that service. That's so important. I know when you had come to us to ask for funding for that a few years ago, our volunteers were really excited about that. So
Yeah,
thank
it's
you for
amazing.
that.
So many things have changed since the pandemic. So here at We Are Hope, we're just trying to be kind of like that employability hub, the hub of knowledge to help people. We also, one thing I did forget to say is we also have a lot of programs that we know about, and we know that resources that sometimes people might not think they can get some support, but maybe if they can get some support for maybe a little bit of training or somebody that might help for a class, that could potentially get them into that career that they want, not just the one that they have.
Yeah, that's great. So then looking at the Employability Hub, I think you did a really good job of explaining all the different ways we could help someone looking for a job. But what about that employer side? So how do you guys work with employers?
We have been in touch with different employers, and we're looking forward to even doing that even more coming up this next year, to find out what they're looking for, because the career exploration and the job piece, we are having so many less workers now in the workforce than what we did before. Helping them also be creative, thinking outside the box. Sometimes they have people that they want to promote from within, which then would open up an entry level position for someone else that might not, but maybe that person again needs that soft skill, or they call it durable skill, and that they need some help fine tuning those things to understand, maybe reading some documents, maybe learning how to do a couple computer things, or learning how to access and format things, or like Excel or a different web
Mhm.
form. We have certain trainings, and we talk to the employers, and we also communicate with them. So if there's things that we can do, whether it be support a class to maybe help some people come and learn different skills, also finding out what kind of people and what kind of careers they're looking for. We also take all of their job postings, we put them out on our social media. So we help connect those employers and those employees. We, like I said, we had at our last job fair, our slogan was, come help us find the career you want, not the one you have. Because our goal is to help get them where they want to be. And even if it means talking to them and talking to the employer that with this training, well, Jay, they qualify for this program, maybe that can help cost that training, and then they could get a promotion within their job. And those employers like us to help them think in that box of what we have open areas. So if they want to come have meetings, they want to have classroom effects, this way they're off the site, but yet they can still get that information for their employees.
That's great. Yeah, you guys have training space, so conference rooms, smart TVs, those sorts of things too, if
Yep,
people want to come and use
exactly.
those, right?
And even if someone needs to have a group meeting, we have one of those owls that can kind of help keep everything if it's a virtual, but a larger for a larger group. Yeah, we
Mhm.
have that capability.
That's great. So the Employability Hub is exactly what it sounds like, even though we started this conversation with what? What is that? It really is, a hub. So think of a spoke in the wheel, and all those different spokes are those things that either employees, potential employees, former employees, and employers might need to make everything go smooth.
Absolutely, exactly. We're here to help support. We're here and open to the community. All of our services are free of charge. So again, because of thanks for the wonderful support from United Way, but also letting you know that we are a resource here. Whether it also means sometimes people that need help filling out financial paperwork for jobs, they don't know how to fill it out or understand it. We're here for that hub of knowledge. We're here for that employee. We like the employability hub because we like to know people know we're here for a resource. But yeah, we are a hub. We'll help connect you whichever way we can. Just come talk to us.
Great. So where are you located?
We are located at 1300 Egg Harbor Road, the Cherry Point Mall. Our suite is 124. If you walk into that main corner door of the Cherry Point Mall, you'll walk right into
And certain hours?
we are open Monday from 10 a.m. till 6 p.m. So that way, if anybody wants to come in the evenings,
Yeah.
we also do career exploration. So if you're not happy with the job and you want to do a little search, you can come after work if you want on Mondays. On Tuesday through Thursday, we are here from 10 till 3. Now, that being said, we are usually here a little bit longer. So if that doesn't fit into someone's lifestyle perfectly, give us a call. If we need to make an accommodation, we can make sure we have some staff on site so we can help accommodate you. So that way, if you need that service or you want that service, we'll help you out.
And what's that phone number?
Our phone number is 920-743-7273. You'll get Riley or any of us, and we're here to help.
Wonderful. Well, Kathy, thank you so much for what you do for the community, and thanks to the whole team over there at the Employability Hub. We really appreciate you spending some time with us today. Thank you.
Thank you. And thanks for everybody. We hope to see you at the
All
Employability
right.
Hub.
Thank you. Bye, folks.
Bye.